right, this is video one. Dear future son-in-law, we're gonna make some we're gonna dig some holes, make some poles, because we want to do a little project here on the backyard. As you can see, already started the project, but I still have one to go, so I'll show you how to do that using your shovel. Okay, the idea is to put some holes, put some poles. The idea is to put some poles here, 4 poles. I'm gonna make a little house for the trash cans, so the trash cans are out of the way. So we got some on the backyard, some projects, but I'll show you later. But right now, got 3 holes going. Just forgot I was doing these videos for you. But anyway, I can stop what I'm doing just to teach you. So I'm just digging about 18-inch holes here, deep, just because it's not too much of a project, you know. Like for these, we have to dig in 2 feet deep. As you can see, all straight. Your daddy-in-law knows how to do shit, so I'm gonna teach you how to do shit. All right, we're gonna use those from the old fence here. So I decided I'm gonna use those to make the little house here and hide the trash cans away. So let's get started. Got my cement already, got my concrete, and I got the poles in the truck. I'm gonna pull them out a little bit. All right, you little cocksucker, we're gonna start by grabbing my shovel. I'm wearing gloves, optional, you know. I'm gonna start digging right here. I think the foundation of the home goes about 3 inches out. It's already experienced it on the other side. I'm gonna do it about right here. So let's get started. Shit ain't rocket science. You can fucking hole. Things too hard. Go to fucking school. Go to college. I'm probably in college by now. Or something. Sixteen. 2 more inches. That's what she said. Right now there's a joke going on. Says, no te vengas dentro. No te vengas dentro. Que verga. ¿Dónde van, mija? ¿Dónde van? All right. Well, I just noticed that the camera moved, but 18-inch. Why? Because I want to, you know? The fuck is my house? This fucking hole goes 18-inch, 2x4. You say fuck. Let's do it. All right, got the lumber here, treater lumber. Got my 2x4s. This cocksucker was about $9. You know, I don't know how much it's gonna be 20 years from now. I don't care. So yeah, let's take these bad boys to the project. I'm gonna give you a tour, an early tour to the backyard. Here you go. I'm gonna throw our parties here. That little lounge. There's the got a grill over there. Don't mind the one that I moved because it's too lazy to go over there, but fire pit, another fire pit, lounge. So all this trash doesn't belong here. Just move it from over here. All right, boy, here we go. So I already did the first one to make sure fucking shit comes right the way you should be doing it. So hope this helps. So what you do, already pour a little bit of water in that hole. I'm gonna pour the Quikrete like so. Let's take it over here. All right. Since I already have this jack open, I'm just gonna pour some shit right here. All right. Get yourself a piece of rod. Poke it. Alright. Level. Throw shit up. Right there. This cooksucker here. That's about right. Perfect. I'm gonna put some more water. Another bag of Quikrete. Right here. Just poke it. Anything you want. One right there. Just rip. Don't breathe this shit. I want healthy grandkids. The cloud. Dissipate a little bit. Don't be an idiot. We're a particle mask. N95. If you're into this business, you're into the trade, protect yourself. You know? I don't do this every day, so I'm not gonna die right here. I already reproduce myself, obviously. I'll take care of yourself. And so on. So just put, just measure twice. Do it once, measure twice. Rule of thumb, right? There you go. So that, there you go. Use the fuck. All right. Water. Some water. Don't breathe this shit. Not. My face is this way. Cloud's going that way. Go away. It's that easy, you know? You don't need to pay no motherfucker to do this job. You can do it on your own, at your own pace. I can Quikrete bags like $5 right now. This is $9. Guess what? You fuck up, you're $15 down. Who cares? You know? All the way up, so just gonna do it about an inch, 2 inch below this concrete line right here, just because I want to, you know. That's my preference. You can just put dirt over here and just make it look like there's no concrete here. A little bit of water. Don't be afraid to pour water. It's gonna sink in, you know? Rinse and repeat. So 2 more to go. Let's measure again. Fucking love it. See? Easy shit. Easy shit. All right, kiddo, we're done for the day. This is a Monday, then I'm a day off. Got these 4 poles up. I'm gonna be recording once we start installing these. Remember, these came out from this old fence right here. I wanted to do something with them. Just didn't want to throw them away. Those are like the 3 best ones. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do right here, but stay tuned. These ones, obviously, I'm gonna cut them, you know, to like trash can level, make a little roof, you know, something you can open and close. Little nice project. All right, stay tuned.